Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to everyone and Madam Nur Syamil Syairah. My name is Nurajah binti Zaidi. Today I'm going to present my final project presentation for BIO320. So the kingdom that I choose is Animalia. I hope you get some information from this video. So let's move on to the first slide. The species that I choose is ocean sunfish. So there's an image that I attached for you. If you don't know how does the sunfish looks like. Okay, first of all, ocean sunfish is its common name. Let's look its hierarchy of classification. Its kingdom is Animalia, the phylum is Chordata, and the order is Tetradontiformes. The ocean sunfish is the type species of the genus. The genus belongs to the family which is Molidae. This family comprises three genera which is Masturus, Mola, and Razania. Its common name, sunfish, is used to describe the marine family that I mentioned before, which is Molidae. As you can see, the genus must always capitalize, and for the species, both names must be italicized. But if it cannot be italicized, make sure it is underlined. We move on to the next slide about the ocean sunfish. So, many of the sunfish various names allude to its flattened shape. The scientific name for this ocean sunfish is Mola mola. Mola in Latin means a millstone, which the fish resembles because of its grey color, rough texture, and its rounded body. Its common English name, sunfish, refers to the animal's habit of sunbathing at the surface of the water. The average lifespan of mola mola is up to 10 years. So, about its size and weight, mola mola is the heaviest bony fish in the world. Yes, the whale sharks are really big and they are not whales, they are fish. However, they are not bony fish. The average mola mola is roughly about 8.2 feet by 5.9 feet, but they can grow as large as 14 feet by 10 feet. The heaviest molar on record is a female caught on 1996 that weighed about 5,071 pounds. For scale, that is the size of a full-grown white rhinoceros. The molar in the photo that you can see in the slide was estimated 3,500 pounds. Next, we'll move on to the molars habitat. Okay, so the sunfish inhabit the epipelagic zone, which is the upper of 200 meters of the ocean where sunlight illuminates the world. However, sunfish can easily dive to depth of over 600 meters into the mesopelagic zone, which is also known as the twilight zone. So, in this zone, waters become more darker, pressure increases, and the temperatures drop to almost freezing. Mola are usually found in the temperate and tropical oceans around the world. They are frequently seen basking in the sun and are often mistaken for sharks when their huge dorsal fins emerge above the water. Their teeth are fused into a beak-like structure and they are unable to fully close their relatively small mouth. We'll move on to the next slide. So, what do they eat? All sunfish are active predators, swimming many kilometers a day to find their prey. Until recently, it was believed that sunfish preyed only on jellyfish, but recent research has shown that their prey is much more diverse. Sunfish are able to eat these animals using their unusual teeth, which are fused together to form two bony plates, which looks like a parrot's beak. So next, we talk about what eats them. Remember that the layer of jelly under their skin, it makes the sunfish taste absolutely terrible. Their gooey flesh and awkward size are all the reasons that humans throughout history couldn't be bothered to eat the sunfish. Sunfish are predated on by orcas, great white sharks, and seals. Sea lions seems like the most vicious predator. Often they will simply eat the fins of the sunfish and leave it die slowly. So, how did they survive? Sunfish can spend a lot of time on their sides on the water surface, soaking up the sun rays. They do this to regulate their body temperature. Besides that, unlike most other fish, sunfish do not have a swim bladder. Sunfish have a layer of jelly under their skin that makes them naturally buoyant. Last but not least, we talk about the status of the sunfish. So the number of the sunfish is unknown, but the numbers appear to be decreasing due to many factors, such as bycatch of the commercial fishermen and to the increased popularity of sunfish as a food. Next, boating incidents can be harmful to the sunfish or damaging to the boat. One other harm would be plastic bags in the ocean. The sunfish sees this as jellyfish and tries to eat them. The bag can become stuck in their throats or their stomachs, which can prevent them from eating. I think that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.